Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna go and get straight into this. I'm going to start by filling in my eyebrows with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color dark brown. Now I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn and Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer in the color 6.25. And I'm going to shape my eyebrows. Now I'm going in with the Morphe Brushes Concealer in the color 0.0 as a base for my eyeshadow. Now I'm taking Jezebel from the Nubian 2 palette and I'm going to pack it on in my crease. Now I'm going to go in with Zobo from my Masquerade palette and I'm going to place that right on top of Jezebel. Now with the pink shade from the Zulu Eye palette, I'm going to blend it all out. And also using the Zulu Eye palette, I'm going in with the purple shade. Now I'm going in with Obsidian from Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism Palette. With the same concealer I use for my base, I'm going to also use it to cut my crease. Now I'm going in with ColourPop Super Shop Shadow. I don't remember the color. And yeah, I'll list that in the description box below. But tap, 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 blend, blend, blend. Yes, all of that good stuff. Now I'm going in with Pinky Gold from the Mermaid Scales Original Collection. They still have it up on the website. I've gotten this glitter 2 years ago. Can you believe that? 2 years ago, and they still got it up on the website. Lit. Now I'm going in with my gel eyeliner from Inglot in the color 77. It wasn't really working for me because I guess it was a little bit dry and I put too much glitter in, well, by my lash line, so I had to switch out to my matte liquid eyeliner from NYX. Now I'm going in with a pink liquid liner from Cotton Candy, and it's called Tutti Frutti. Now I'm going in with the No Filter Primer by NYX, aka NYX. And girl, let me tell you, my dumb ass slapped so much goddamn primer on, I didn't even know where to put the rest of it, so I just, you know, smudged it all over my face, blended it all out. Man, I don't know, just throw me away. Throw me away. Now I'm just adding Liquid Glow by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm putting that in the highest point of my face just for that extra glow. Extra. Now I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Orange to color correct around my mouth. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the color NW48 from MAC and the color Deep 78 from Kat Von D. Blend, 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 and what you want to do is to press it into your skin for a more flawless finish. Flawless finish. Now taking MAC's Pro Longwear Concealer in the color NW45, 45, I'm going to highlight the highest point. What is wrong with me today? The highest point of my face. Ha. Now I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Almond, but I usually use Fawn, just so you guys know. Now I'm going to go in with a dark concealer. This is not even a concealer. This is a foundation from BH Cosmetics. Now I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Mahogany to intensify my contour. Using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder, I'm going to set my under eyes. Taking my MAC Studio Fix powder and setting the rest of my face. Nothing crazy. set my contour, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Havana powder. Now I'm going in with e.l.f.'s Baked Blush. I don't remember the name of it, but I'll list that in the description box below. Now I'm going in with my favorite highlighter in the world from Anastasia Beverly Hills and Moriah. Trust me, this is the best goddamn highlighter in the whole world. Now I'm going in with Zoba again from my Masquerade palette. Honestly, I don't know how I skipped my eyes and went to my lips, but I'm going in with a brown lip liner from NYX. Now taking Candy K from Kylie Cosmetics, I am going to apply it to the center of my lips and try to give it an ombre effect with the brown lip liner that I placed around my lips. At this point, this is just me being extra. Now I'm going to just take Teddy from MAC and I'm just going to place it like the real inner part of my lips. Like the in part of my lips. Basically, I'm just using everything that I've used before. And this includes the black eyeshadow and the pinkish purplish eyeshadows. Now I'm just taking a black pencil from NYX and running it through my waterline. You know, I gotta be extra. So I'm gonna take the pink kind of holographic glitter from NYX again, and I'm going to place that underneath my eyes with some glitter glue from NYX, and just use the mascara down my lashes. Now I'm just touching everything up with the mascara and, you know, the highlighter and everything. I sprayed my face off camera with the Morphe setting spray. My favorite spray at that. But yeah, you guys, yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, well, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share. And if you guys have any thoughts of what I should do next, don't be afraid to leave a comment down below. Thank you. Bye.